Let's check out how to fix a Baxi boiler flashing green. A flashing green light on your Baxi boiler may look concerning, but it is usually not a serious fault. In most cases, it indicates that the boiler is either operating normally or dealing with a temporary issue. Unlike red warning lights, green flashing lights often mean the system is trying to resolve a minor problem on its own. Let's look at the most common reasons why your Baxi boiler is flashing green. A single green flash usually means the boiler has reached its set temperature. This is normal operation, and the boiler will resume heating when needed. Temporary flame loss can also cause green flashing. The boiler may attempt to relight automatically if the flame goes out. Low system pressure is another common cause. If the pressure drops below the safe level, the boiler may struggle to operate properly. Electronic communication issues between components can trigger green flashing. These are often temporary and may resolve on their own. Let's look at a few steps you can safely try at home. Start by checking the pressure gauge. It should be between 1 and 1.5 bar. If it's low, repressurize the system using the filling loop. Try resetting your boiler. Hold the reset button or turn the dial to the reset position for a few seconds, then allow the system to restart. Sometimes the boiler will fix itself. Wait a few minutes to see if the flashing stops after completing its cycle. If the green light keeps flashing continuously or you have no heating or hot water, it may indicate a deeper issue. In this case, contact a qualified gas-safe engineer for a proper diagnosis and repair. Service team heating engineers can handle all boiler makes and models, including Baxi. As a professional boiler installer, we guarantee that we will meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below to book a service team boiler repair. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.